Welcome to our guide on how to edit access to management reports in Docket. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docket account. Navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Business Reports module. From there, choose Management Reports to proceed. To change the user's access to the management report, click on the three dots situated on the right side of the report name. Then, choose the Edit Access option from the drop-down menu. Finally, type the username or email address in the pop-up window. Then click Done to grant that user access to the report. Please note that only admins of the Business Report module can edit access to reports. To revoke access to the report for a user, enter the user's name or email in the window that appears after clicking Edit Access. Then click Remove next to the user's name and finalize by clicking Done. This action will promptly remove access to that report for that user. And there you have it. You have now learned how to edit access to management reports in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.